and welcome everybody. If you are experiencing problems with your washing machine that is overfilling with water and it doesn't stop, follow me and I will show you how to fix it and replace the part. Well, hello, this is our washing machine and it's a roper. And this same fix that I'm gonna do to this washing machine is most of the washers that are out there on the market. So let's get started with this one. Always remember that before you start taking a washing machine or a dryer apart, always remember to disconnect it from the power and make sure that your water is closed just in case your system is not shutting the water off. It could be cause a problem and flood your house, and make sure that you use the proper tools and safety equipment if you think that you need some. And the tools that we are gonna be using today, this is a Phillips screwdriver and some wire snippers or wire cutters. And I'm gonna show you why we are gonna use each. So now that the washing machine is properly disconnected off the electrical and is not running any water through it, so we have two little screws that we need to remove, one right here and one right there. So we're gonna go ahead and take those screws off. We got a screwdriver. Take this screws off. Just one of them. And there's a second one. Here, two screws here. Now you go behind it, or if you don't got room to take it apart from here, you get it from the board, push it a little bit forward, and then up, and make sure you slide and turn over like this. Once you have your cover open like that, then so once you pop your cover up like that, this is you just gonna these two things slide in those holes right there. So that's why you gotta pull them forward towards you, and then swing them up. So where you seen right here, we got the water leveler. This is the water leveler right here, and this is the water temperature, and this is the timer. So right now we are focusing on this part right here, on the water leveler. This might be the cause of the washing machine overflowing. And I'm gonna show you a couple of things that might cause it to overflow. Okay, so one of the first things that you gotta check before you replace the water leveler, first thing is first. Sometimes when you open the machine like this, the hose will sometimes it comes off. So if this little hose would have come off like this, if it would have been like that, that would be one way that why your washing machine overflows. If your hose did that, then you could use the snippers, this here, and you cut about a half of an inch right here. You cut it out like this. Once you cut that little piece off, then you could put it back in there. Because with the moisture and all if you are one of the persons that washes your clothes with hot water, the humidity and the vapors and everything that the water causes, it makes this expand. So by cutting it, that other piece is brand new, so it's tight and it's gonna fit good. And then another thing, before you do that too, another thing that you could do is blow on this like this. If you hear air going down there by the bottom of your washing machine, then that means that this is good. But if you try to blow on this hose and air doesn't go through, that means that your tub is dirty and you gotta take it apart and clean it. But in this case, we just took this off and put it back on there. Okay, And if you already did that and it blows air through the hose and your hose was connected, then your water leveler is gonna be bad. And the way that you replace that, you disconnect it from the water, from the air hose. You take this button off, just pull it out, it should come right easy. Then you go back under the thing, have like a little button right here that you could press. Once you press that button, then you twist it. You press the button and then you twist it like this, and it should come right out. And then you get the power cord here, pull it from right here from the clip, and disconnect it. And there you go. Another way to test this too is to blow on here. You hear that little ticking? If you don't hear that, then that means there's something stuck in there, and that's when you gotta replace it. But you hear this, that means this one is good. So we're gonna go ahead and put it back. So we plug it back to the power. In the same way, you see that little square here? You put it in the square right here, and this is the clip that I was telling you that you gotta press here in order to snap it in there. So you put it back in place, and you're gonna hear the snap, then it's gonna snap in. You hear that? And then you put your air hose in there, like this. You put it back on there. And you're all set. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys share it and subscribe to it, because we're gonna have more videos about how replacing or refurnishing other parts of the washing machine. And another thing too, if your washing machine is overfilling with water and you unplug it from your electrical and it's still filling water, then that's gonna be your it's going to be your water valve. This is right here. This is your water valve. If this is only have to be replaced if is your washing machine is overfilling and you have it unplugged from the wall. If you have it plugged on the wall and you have water running into your washing machine and you turn off the timer button and it stops filling up with water, then your problem is gonna be how I showed you guys earlier. It's gonna be the water leveler. So I hope you guys like, share, and subscribe. And if this video helped you guys, well, please give it a like, and we'll see you next time into another exciting washing machine tip for everybody. Thank you very much. You guys have a good day. God bless you all. Don't forget that Jesus Christ loves you. And God bless.